As content creators, our goal is to put out the best production we possibly can. However, sitting behind the cameras, there are some details that oftentimes slip through our knowledge but comes to light post-production, most especially during editing. Now, if this is applicable to you, then this video is definitely for you, because in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can use your laptop, yes, laptops that or computers that you already have, to set it as your external monitor, using Canon Eos utility. And this will enable you to see yourself, see everything how you look in the monitor, even during production. Then even before you push recording, you will be able to check to be sure that okay, your lightings, everything is all connected and working together. All that coming up right after this. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy at joyphoebe.com, a place where individuals, entrepreneurs and content creators gain valuable tips that helps them to build their brands, their business, and also to increase their productivity and impact. So if we are meeting for the first time, welcome. I'm glad you're here, and I will appreciate you if you can please click the subscribe button. You can also turn on the notification bell, that way you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you know anyone that you feel might benefit from this content, please feel free to share this information with them. Yes, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use your laptop as your external monitor free, because you already have laptop, you already have desktop, whichever one you have anyways. And this will come really handy for you because it will enable you to pick up on some of the details that you probably will not have, but eventually come to see those details post-production and during editing. And you'll be telling you, oh, I should have done this. Oh, I should have moved my light this way. Oh, perhaps I should have set my head like this. Now you can do that even before you push recording. Now, how do you do that? I'm going to show that to you right on the computer. Okay, so we want to go to Canon USA or Canon.USA, whichever one. For me, is my first option here. So you can type in Canon USA. It will take you to the same site. So we're going to wait for it to load. Now, once that is loaded, I can go to Canon USA, but I want to go to, since it gives me immediate options to go with the drivers and downloads. So I'm going to go with the drivers and downloads right off the bat. So we'll click on drivers and downloads. All right, so the next page that will open for us says, after the COVID-19 information, say begin typing your model name, then select your model from the displayed list and click the go button. So I'm going to type in T6i, which is my camera, and you see right there it gives me the options for T6i, but mine is EOS Rebel T6i. So I select the first option and click go. Awesome. Now on the next page, that takes us to the next page where it shows me the picture of my camera, and on this side to the right it says drivers and download manuals need service. No, I need the drivers and downloads, so I'm going to click on drivers and downloads for T6i. And because I'm using MacBook Pro, Now the options for the software are, narrowed down to Mac for me. And I looked through them. The first one say EOS utility for Mac. The second one say picture style editor, a digital photo. I have an idea of what I want is around EOS utility. So I'm going to select this one and then read up on what it says to be sure, okay, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Now, reading is EOS utility is software for communication with your EOS digital camera. Yes, which is what I have. I have EOS digital camera. By connecting the camera and computer, we want that. You can download to your computer images saved in the camera's memory card, as well as set various camera settings or shooting remotely from EOS utility on your computer. Well, this is exactly what we're looking for. So I don't need a genius to tell me that, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and download the software. And here it tells you about the supporting documents, which is how to download and install, and then the driver/software details. And here is the file name. So let's go ahead and download this. All right, so we've downloaded. Once you have downloaded this and installed it on your computer, you're going to see this EOS Utility 3, because I've already downloaded mine and I don't want to go and start downloading it all over again. So this is how this is. Now that we have it on the computer, I'm going to show you how you can connect it to your laptop and how it looks once it's connected to your laptop. Okay, you're going to be needing a utility cable. Okay, this is mine, it's a bit long, like this. See that? All right, and this is the ends of the cable. This end goes into your camera, and this other end goes into your laptop. Okay, this is very vital because this is how you will be able to connect both your camera and your laptop or your computer together. All right, so that is that with the utility cable. And in order to get the utility cable, you can check on your local electronics store or on Amazon. I got mine on Amazon. Now I told you that there is a step that is critical to the success of this entire process. If you miss anything else, don't miss this one, because without this, your connection process will not work. It will not work if you don't do this. So because there's tendency for you to get excited once you've downloaded the EOS and you see it, and then you rushed into connecting your camera to your laptop. That happens to me. It took me 3 days researching, digging, to find out this process. So you don't want to miss this. Now you go to your camera. You see this dialer here? Just put it on the on button right here, on. Okay? Now when you put it on, go to your menu. See your menu? Now you see this Wi-Fi? It has to be disabled. Okay? Now if you enable it, this process will not work. Alright? Ensure that your Wi-Fi settings are disabled. Very, very important. I want to say this again and again and again and again, like multiple times, until you get this. Because when I was looking for this information, it wasn't anywhere at all. So please, you connecting your camera to your laptop in order to utilize your laptop as your external monitor. make sure your Wi-Fi is disabled. All right, there we go. You see that? So now, because we've downloaded it, you can click on remote shooting. And you know, the cool thing is, see, you can set your aperture from here. See, you can set your aperture from here. You can, sorry, your shutter speed from here. And your aperture can be set from here. Mine is on 3.5. You can set your IOS here to 800 or to 1600, but 800 is usually the recommended number, because once you start going above 800, might start affecting your image. And you see right here, see, you can click live view shooting. See, which is what we're going to do now. Once we do that, we're going to see the magic. Here we go. Can you see me? You see, like, okay, let me see if I can move my mouse. So I can move upward a little bit. I'm doing two things on the computer right now. I'm recording my screen and at the same time trying to show you. So you see from here, you can see that you'll be able to see yourself. You know, it's okay, it's my hair okay, all right, everything, check, check. Am I positioned in the middle of I bet you this can be very helpful, especially when you're a woman's production. I hope you're happy to have this knowledge, you know, in your toolbox that you can use for your production anytime, because it comes handy. Trust me, this has really helped me. Thank you very, very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye bye for now.